In this video, I will guide you on how to fix fingerprint sensor not responding on Android. First, you want to check your fingerprint settings. For that, head over to your device settings. Now scroll down to Security and Privacy. Select that. Here find the option of Lock Screen and tap on that. Here tap on Fingerprint. If needed, add a new fingerprint, preferably your thumb, since it's usually easier for the sensor to recognize. Follow the on-screen instructions until the setup is complete. Next, you want to restart your phone. Press and hold the power button in order to restart. Wait for your phone to reboot completely, then try using the fingerprint sensor again. Next, you want to update your software. For that, head over to your device settings. Scroll all the way down and find the option of Software Update. Tap on that. Here you want to check for updates. If there is any available update, you simply want to install the latest software. If that doesn't fixes your issue, then you want to reset all settings. For that, on your settings, tap on General Management. Then tap on Reset. Now find the option of Reset All Settings. Here tap on Reset Settings. Now your phone will restore all system settings to their default value without deleting your personal data. Once the reset is complete, test your fingerprint scanner again. And that's it. With these steps, you will be able to fix the fingerprint sensor not working on Android. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.